Yo, I'm back with another video with my site GainFast.net. I already made a tutorial on how to do it on PC. I'm just doing it on phone because people were struggling to do it on phone. So you want to add funds if you want to use the site. So you want to go to add funds. I accept Bitcoin, Cash App, and PayPal. If you want the fastest response, just go ahead and join the Discord and accept that. And all you have to do is make a ticket. You know what I'm saying? And please tell me what you want to use: Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, or Bitcoin. So it'd be way easier for me. So after you put Cash App, I'm gonna respond to your ticket with the Cash App, and I'm gonna tell you send me your use your own site. When I say use your own site, is your username on the site that you signed up with, so I can add your funds. So that's all you gotta do. So I'm gonna show you how to use it now. So when you're here, I'm gonna show you how to do Instagram again. So first you want to go to the account, like right here. You want to copy profile link, copy profile URL. So you want to copy this right here and go back to it. And you can pick which one you want, but I recommend this one right here. This one, I always use this one, so I just recommend this one. So you want to put the link right there, then the followers, then press submit. And that's literally all you do. And you just gotta wait till it comes through. You just gotta wait for it to come through. So see, it's already going up. And I'm going to do another account too. Right here. Copy profile URL. So all you gotta do is go back, put the link, like boom, 1,000 followers. And just wait on that, and that's gonna go up too. This is gonna go up too. And I'm gonna show you how to do likes too. So go in the post on the likes. Some people, they've been copying the profile URL, then go to the likes, and it's not working for them. So you want to go to the likes right here, copy the URL. Wait, it's not letting me copy it. Oh, you gotta press this. I forgot Instagram changed it. So you want to copy that. Then you want to go back to the site, new order. Then the Instagram likes, stay right here. And me, I be picking, you can pick whatever you want, but usually I go down here to like low drop, or this one right here. Then those should be coming in too. Yeah, like should be coming in right here too. And I'll do the same for this. I'm just doing it twice so y'all can understand it. Just copy the link, go back to likes. And I recommend this one, by the way. This one, I'll always use this one too. The one for 10 cents per 1K. Instant 1 mil, 100K a day. 1,000. Submit. But you can use any one of them you like. That's just the one I use. And it goes for the same everything else too. So But that's basically how to use it. Just let me know if y'all have any questions. Oh, and I'm gonna do like a 10,000 follower giveaway too. So if you want to enter that, just let me know. Cause I might do it that next video. I might do it like a giveaway video for like 10,000 followers or like 50K, anything. So just have a look out for that. So that's basically how to use it. So if you need help, you can press this blue right here or make a ticket on site. The Discord and my Telegram, that's just for adding funds. If you need help, press this blue button right here, and just talk to this chat, or you make a ticket on site right here if you need help. And I'm gonna end the video right here, and just let me know if you need help.